Hi everybody, welcome to my research channel. We are learning panel data analysis with STATA. I am Professor Dr. Muhammad Tariq Majid. The first lecture is on setting panel data and generating country codes. Here we need two dimensions for panel data. One is cross-sectional dimension and other is time dimension. For cross-sectional dimension, we can have the name of country, firms, bank, anything which does not change over time. Here I have taken country names, Pakistan and India. Time dimension is 2020 to 2022. What we need to generate country code. Country code does not change over time and it remains same for the cross-sectional unit. However, it is unique for the next cross-sectional unit. Here you can see it is 1 for Pakistan and 2 for India, and it will keep changing for next cross-sectional unit. We need dependent variable, then independent, and after it we have control variables. Now we need the same data in Excel sheet. Here the data is given in Excel sheet. I copied the data from Excel sheet, then I clicked STATA. In STATA I click data editor, and then Control V. I pasted this data in STATA. After this I will set it as panel data xt set country code time. Here we have generated country code manually. We can also use the command. For command, first I drop country code. Now you can see that country code is dropped. Country code is not available. Now I generate it using this command, generate country code is equal to group bracket, and here I will click country name. Now the country code is generated. You can see that this is the country code. After generating country code, one thing I want to explain, that when sometimes we take data from World Bank, in World Bank data is missing values are given double dot. STATA does not read double dot. STATA only read empty cells or single dot. So if you are taking data from World Bank database, then replace double dot with single dot. Thank you for watching the video. I will share next video soon.